Welcome to Wealth Cafe. Today, I'm going to share something that could change the way you think about money. How to turn $100 into $1,000 in just 30 days. Now, I'm not talking about gambling, lottery tickets, or unrealistic get-rich-quick schemes. I'm talking about smart, practical methods that real people are using right now. So grab a coffee, stay focused, because by the end of this video, you'll have at least 3 actionable ideas you can try immediately. Before we jump into strategies, let's be clear. The goal isn't just multiplying money. The real goal is building the mindset that lets you create opportunities. Think of $100 not as cash, but as seed money, like planting a seed. If you use it wisely, it can grow. If you spend it on random stuff, it disappears. So rule number 1, treat your $100 like a mini business investment. The first proven method is flipping. Here's how it works. Step 1. Take that $100 and buy underpriced products. You can find them on Facebook Marketplace, garage sales, or thrift stores. Step 2. Clean them up. Package them nicely. Step 3. Resell them online on eBay, Poshmark, or even TikTok Marketplace. For example, buy a used pair of sneakers for $40. Clean them and sell for $120. That's $80 profit from just one flip. Do that a few times, and your $100 can quickly turn into $500 or more. People are doing this every single day. And the beauty is you don't need special skills. Just some research, patience, and a good eye for deals. The second method is digital products and services. This one is powerful because once it's set up, the profit margin is huge. For example, use that $100 to buy design templates or AI tools and create digital products like ebooks, resume templates, or stock photos. Upload them to Etsy, Gumroad, or Fiverr, or offer a service. Maybe you can edit short TikTok videos, design simple logos, or write blog posts. Use your $100 to run ads or buy a basic tool to speed up your workflow. Here's the math. If you charge $20 for a simple service and you do 50 jobs in a month, that's $1,000 right there. Not impossible. In fact, if you niche down into one skill, clients will keep coming back. Now let's talk about skill arbitrage. This means taking a skill that you don't have to master, but can manage. Let me explain. Say you spend $100 to buy an online mini course on AI tools or social media management. In just a few days, you can learn enough to offer beginner-level services. Then, you charge small businesses $200 to $300 a month for managing their Instagram or creating simple content with AI. If you land just 3 clients at $300 each, that's $900. Add a small upsell and you're past $1,000. The secret here is that most businesses don't care about perfection. They care about results. And if you can save them time, they'll gladly pay. Now, I need to mention this carefully. There are riskier ways like trading stocks or crypto with $100. Yes, it's possible to grow fast, but it's also possible to lose everything. If you go this route, only use money you're willing to lose. And don't chase random hype. Stick to learning one method like swing trading or using AI-powered signals. For most people, I recommend focusing on flipping, services, or digital products instead. Safer, more predictable, and repeatable. So let's bring this together. If you want to turn $100 into $1,000 in 30 days, here's the action plan. Step 1. Pick one strategy. Don't try them all at once. Step 2. Commit at least 2 hours a day. Treat it like a mini project. Step 3. Reinvent quickly. If one product doesn't sell, list another. If one service doesn't get clients, switch niches. Step 4. Reinvest profits. Don't cash out too early. Roll your $200 profit back into the business. That's how it scales fast. Remember, the first $500 is the hardest. After that, momentum kicks in. So, can you really turn $100 into $1,000 in 30 days? Absolutely, if you commit, focus, and take action. The secret isn't luck. It's creativity, consistency, and treating small money like big opportunities. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these strategies would you try first? Flipping, digital products, or skill arbitrage? Drop a comment, share your thoughts, and let's inspire each other. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who's ready to grow their money. Because the truth is, anyone can do this, starting today, with just $100. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.